Well, hello Croners. Welcome to the first episode of the Crono Guide. For today's step, we'll understand how to create new contacts and companies. You can create new contacts and companies in Crono in 4 different ways. Let's check them out. First, you can manually create contacts and companies by clicking this button and entering the information you have about them. Starting with the creation of a company, you need to type in the name. Then, clicking on the magnifying glass, you'll see that you can associate the company name with the LinkedIn company profile. If you prefer to proceed manually, you can insert its LinkedIn URL or company website and also add other details such as the number of employees, turnover, country, industry, and also add the company into a list. Similarly, creating a contacts manually works in the same way, but you'll notice that contacts require an associated company as a mandatory field. This is because Crono is account-based, so each contact must always be linked to a company. Once you've entered the information, click on Add and you'll find a contact in your contact list. The second way you can create contacts and companies into Crono is via the Find New section. Insert your filters, apply them, and here you will get your results. Next to each contact, you'll see a Load Data button. Clicking this will load additional information regarding the contact, such as company website, LinkedIn link, industry, size, and more. You can customize which fields are shown by clicking on Edit Columns and selecting the ones that you want. You can bulk select your contacts by clicking the highest white box that you see. Otherwise, simply multi-select them. Once you have selected the contacts that you want to add, click on the bottom on the Add New button. Here, you'll enter the creation window. Here you can either immediately enrich their emails and phone numbers. This can also be done later on in your contact list. You can enroll these people into a specific sequence, and they can also be added into a sub-list. This list can also be shared with other members of your team. Finally, to proceed in creating them into your Crono list, click on Add. A small side note regarding the enrichment. Our enrichment process is based on our waterfall approach, utilizing more than 10 providers in order to find email and phone numbers. This guarantees us to successfully find most of the emails we search for, with an accuracy rate that, according to the latest data, stands at around 84%. Moving on to companies creation in the Find New, the same will apply. Insert your filters and look for the companies. Staying within our platform, the third way to add contacts and companies is by using the feature that allows you to import CSV files. To do this, simply go to your account settings and then import data. Here, you can upload the CSV file and the contacts and companies will be imported and added to your list. Once you have uploaded the file, proceed with the mapping. Mapping means associating the fields you have in your CSV file with the fields available in Crono. When importing a list of contacts, we need at least 3 fields from your file: contact name, contact surname, and company name. These should all be separated in different columns. By clicking Next, we enter the final phase of the import. Here, you can ask for the enrichment of the contact's emails and phone numbers. Note that in order to get this information, you need to import in the file a company website or a contact LinkedIn URL, which are mandatory fields in order for our providers to give you the emails and phone numbers that you need. To finalize the process, click on Import File. Now these contacts will be available in your contact list. The last way to create contacts and companies is directly on LinkedIn or Sales Navigator, and this works like a regular LinkedIn search. Thanks to our extension, you'll be able to click to add a single contact to Crono if you're viewing someone's profile. Here too, you can immediately enrich the contact's email and phone number. select a sequence or a list in which the contact should be enrolled, and then click on Add to import the contact into Crono. You'll notice that each contact is always linked to a company. As you can see, creating a company works pretty much in the same way. Finally, to bulk import contacts from LinkedIn to Crono, simply perform a search, open a tab on the right side of our extension, select Find, and then select All. Then click on Enrich if you want to enrich the emails and phone numbers, add options to put these people into a specific Crono list or sequence, and finally click on Import to confirm the operation. Again, using our powerful extension, there is an option under LinkedIn posts of interest to click on the Extract Leads button. This will allow to immediately extract some or all the leads that have interacted with the post. This feature is incredibly useful for approaching leads who are already potentially interested in a topic relevant to you. And that's all for today. Thank you for the attention and keep pushing forward in the sales world.